Hi, this is an unboxing video of Tado X products. On Black Friday, I ordered a starter kit from Tado and a Quattro pack. I want to replace my old thermostats. So let's see what's inside the box. First item in the starter kit is a Smart Thermostat X, which controls the heating in the whole apartment. It comes with three AAA batteries, some screws, and even sticky pads to mount the thermostat on the wall. The second item in the starter kit is Bridge X. Bridge X connects all Tado devices to the internet so you can control them by your Tado app. It is packed with EU and UK power adapters. The next box is a Quattro pack containing 4 smart radiator thermostats. You can of course order them individually. Each smart radiator thermostat X comes with 6 different adapters to fit various radiator valves. The USB-C charging cable is not included.